Introducing the new Sinumerik 1, an important paradigm shift for our industry. The Sinumerik 1 was designed together with a digital twin solution. The performance of the virtual CNC exactly matches the performance of the real CNC, offering machine builders and end users a seamless solution from the virtual to real worlds. Add this to a complete range of software that enables you to use the digital twin to optimize your entire process. What you have is a new set of tools. Tools that enable machine builders and their customers to collaborate in ways that were once unimagined. The digital twin solution changes the way forward for our entire industry. No longer will machine builders or users be held back by sequential end-to-end machine design and development. Design and development can now run parallel, greatly reducing time and cost for both the builder and the user. The timeline between a builder's first machine concept and the user's first cut on that machine can be dramatically shortened. Using the digital twin toolset, automation engineers can visualize performance long before the machine is built. Costs are prevented and time to market is accelerated. Collaboration between the machine builder and the machine user can occur in a virtual showroom. Here, the machine operators can also participate to assure machine acceptance and rapid plant floor adoption. The selling and buying experience is simplified. Decisions can be made more efficiently, with reduced risk for both seller and buyer. Builders and users can continue to communicate more efficiently, aided by software tools for machine monitoring, diagnostics, and remote troubleshooting. Ultimately, the new Sinumerik 1 CNC and the digital twin provide business acceleration. This extends to the machine user, who can substantially improve productivity across their operations and processes. Machine builders and users around the world have proven these breakthroughs are real. By using the digital twin to design a machine, time to market can be cut by up to 30%. The commissioning of a machine can be up to 50% faster, largely because of reductions in software engineering time, but also hardware engineering time and overall higher process efficiencies. And most importantly, end users are seeing increases in machine productivity of up to 25%.